Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Bosch Dishwashers red light blinking. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're dealing with a blinking red light on your Bosch dishwasher, here's how you can fix it. First is you need to understand what the red light actually means. So it's actually a small indicator projected onto the floor. Now, it usually turns off when the cycle finishes or the dishwasher isn't in use. So if it starts blinking here or stays on when the dishwasher is idle, it's often because the door isn't securely latched. So to fix this, you want to go ahead and basically try closing the door properly first. So make sure it's fully shut in, listen for that distinct clicking sound, and feel some resistance as you close it. Sometimes the issue is with the racks, so check that they're pushed all the way back and nothing is caught in front of them, preventing the door from closing properly. Now, another thing you might want to look out for is any water around the dishwasher. Now, in this case, if you see any spills on the water next to the dishwasher, usually what's causing the red light here. So in this case, you should be able to basically wipe the edges on your dishwasher here, and basically once the wet air is dry, usually that would actually get it working again or remove the red light blinking on your Bosch dishwasher. Also, make sure your dishwasher isn't overloaded. So if its trays are floating or not seated properly, that can cause the issue itself. Now, in this case, also check your tray racks here, so make sure they're properly seated. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.